Chevy Impala, we're doing the VVT, both banks. You're gonna loosen up both right here. Take your mass airflow, flathead takes all your bolts off. Just squeeze these, like pop that out. Air filter out the way. You rise on here, just grab it, pop it out, get out the way. And now you have more access. Take your boot, get it out the way. Right here, you have two VVTs. The 10 millimeter. This one I've already replaced both of them, but this one comes straight out. And then once you take this one out, you'll have access to get to this other 10 millimeter. And then this one you can actually take off without doing anything. What you do is once it comes out, you just kind of make it go underneath the AC line, and then you just work your way out this way, and then it'll come out, and then the same way going back in, pop it in, so you don't actually need to remove anything to get to those two. Now these two over here, we will have to take this bracket out, and I'll take it off right now and show y'all. All right, so I already got them in there. It's one here and one here, 2 10s. It comes right out. All right, the way I did this, which was the easiest, you're gonna need a jack because you gotta support the bottom of it. But what I did was, as you can see, I just kind of got these started right there, and then I took the mount out, which is this one here, and it's got a slot cut out already, so it's a lot easier to get in there and out just like that. So there it is, 18, 18, 18, and then 315s. Now I did the 315s, and then I put a block underneath the oil pan with the jack, loosened up the 315s, and then lifted it up, and then I loosened the 18s out just enough to where I got it out about right here, because if not, you can't get these 3 bolts that go here out because they hit right here on the water pipe. So you just kind of put them in as so, like that, and you'll be able to actually bring the bracket back out of the way, so that way you could tighten them up. And then you can actually start putting the bracket in, because see, if not, you won't be able to, it'll hit here on these 3, and that way you won't. That way you can bring it back, kind of put it in an angle, take it out, and then put it back in, and then it's just putting everything back in. That's it.